Well, hello, it's me again. I'm just recording this little thunderstorm again from my brother. It's more of a lightning storm because it's not making any noise, but as you can see, it's popping off a lot. It's not like the New York style where it hits every now and then. It's just constant. Boom. It's pretty awesome. It's getting darker out so you can see it nicely. It's not too dark, so you got a nice frame to put it up against. That looks like maybe it's down near DZ. That's our lake, or that's one of the towns by the lake. I'm sure it's pretty loud over there, and I'm sure it'll eventually make its way over here. I like this though, because you can see like the lightning bolts from this far away. It's pretty cool. Boom. Sean, I hope you're enjoying this, because I know you really like your thunderstorms. And when you come visit me, this is what you have to look forward to. At least, definitely like once a week at least. At least during summer. You gotta come during summer, of course. It's the best time to come. It's really hot. A lot of hot bitches. And a lot of cool thunderstorms. And no, that is not a UFO in the center of the screen. That is just street lights. So, anyways, as I'm mumbling on, you can't hear it. But you can see it, that's for sure. Way down in the distance. I love how it's usually like on the right side and then the left side. Usually. Not that time, obviously. Excuse me. If I'm still up when it gets closer, I'll record it again. Can't promise as awesome of a performance then though. I might have changed. But that looks like a good one. I bet you it's pretty loud over there. Damn, that was big. Let's see if I can get a little better angle on it, maybe. There's a tree in the way, of course. Boom. They're getting hammered. It's pretty awesome. Ooh, that was a big one. It's pretty impressive stuff, eh? Kinda sucks because then I have to unplug everything. Luckily my laptop runs on battery. I'm watching Californication right now, so it's quite entertaining. There's a big ass RV. One of these days I'm probably gonna get hit by one of these. That'd be kinda cool. Saying they got hit by lightning. You gotta respect those people that got hit by lightning. It's crazy. It's like there's two of them going on. hopefully if they ever come out with like androids or like half man, half machine, they'll throw some rubber in there so you don't have to worry about getting hit by one of these if you ever come and visit. 'Cause that would suck. Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty unrelentless. Just hitting everything. Excuse me, beer burp. I wish I could zoom in on this thing. I don't think you can. Nope. I could, let's see. Nah. Be able to zoom in so you can get a really. Ooh, damn, that was big. I wish that house wasn't in the way. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Just some more thunder action and lightning, of course. Crazy stuff. Alrighty. Kuzman out.